everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download and install the latest software update on your Android phone. Keeping your device up to date is important because software updates can improve performance, add new features, and enhance security. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap About Phone. Depending on your device model, the location of this option may vary slightly, but it is usually near the bottom of the Settings menu. In the About Phone section, look for Software Update and tap on it. Next, select Download and Install. Your phone will check if a new software update is available. If an update is found, you will see information about the latest version available for your device. You may also be able to view the update details and patch notes to see what improvements or fixes are included. Before downloading, you can choose whether updates are downloaded automatically over Wi-Fi only or over mobile data as well. Select the option that works best for you. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update. Make sure your phone has enough battery power or is connected to a charger during the process. Once the installation is complete, your device may restart and you'll be running the latest software version available. And that's it.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!